Manage reports lives under Admin, System. This is configuration, not the run catalog. You need report reading permission to see the list, plus create, update, or delete for those actions. Every report from the banking service is here, published or not, table or not, core or custom. Running a table report still happens from reports. In use is the switch that publishes a report into that catalog. Unpublished reports stay on this list so you can finish them. Search matches the report name. Filters cover category, type, source, and in use. Source is core or custom. Export downloads this full list as CSV or Excel, the same real workbook and UTF-8 CSV as the run catalog. Click a row later to open that report in the wizard. New report starts a blank custom report. The row menu can copy any report or delete a custom one. Core reports cannot be deleted. Open client listing by the exact name, not client loans listing. Client listing is a core table report. We will use it to show what you can change on a report that's shipped with the banking service. Create, copy, and edit use the same 4 steps: details, SQL, parameters, and review. On a large screen, the steps stay in a rail, with previous and next in the footer. Next checks the current step. Close in the header returns to the list without saving. This is a core report. The banner says only in use can be saved. Name, type, SQL, and parameters stay as they are. The banking service refuses any other change. Copy on the banner starts a custom report from this one. Jump to SQL. The query is visible, but read-only on a core report. Placeholders here must match the parameters on the next step. We will not change this query. Parameters on a core report are display only. There is no add, and rows do not open the sidebar. Client listing only needs the office picker. Back to details. In use publishes this report to the reports catalog. Leave it as it is. Close. To fix or extend the SQL, copy creates a custom report we can edit. The row menu on client listing has copy. Save would create a custom report with the same SQL and parameters, named client listing, custom, and in use off until you publish it. Open copy. The wizard starts from client listing. We will not save this copy, so we do not leave an extra report on the tenant. Close, then we will create a small table report from scratch. New report starts a blank custom report. The 4 steps are the same as copy and edit. Required fields are marked with an asterisk. Details first. Name is required, up to 100 characters, and must be unique on this tenant. This walkthrough name is demo data only, not for live reporting. Type comes from the banking service's allowed engines: table, chart, Pentaho, BIRT, SMS, and any other type it lists. This walkthrough is a table report, so we can run it later from reports if we turn in use on. Subtype is required for chart, bar, or pie, and must be blank for every other type. Leave it blank. Category is optional, up to 45 characters. Pick an existing grouping or type a new one. Use client. In use defaults to on for a new report. Turn it off. This walkthrough stays out of the run catalog. Creating a report also creates a matching run permission on the banking service. Roles that should run it need that permission once you publish it. Description is optional. Keep it factual. Next checks this step, then SQL. SQL is required for table and chart and must be blank for Pentaho and BIRT. Placeholders must match the stretchy parameters you attach on the next step. A chart report would need SQL too, plus a bar or pie subtype. This query lists offices. The office filter is a quoted placeholder, office ID, so it stays a string on PostgreSQL. Keep placeholders quoted like this unless you know the column type. Do not paste a query that compares text to an integer unquoted. Previous would return to details without losing the SQL. Next goes to parameters. You can jump back from the rail too. Parameters are listed on this step. None is fine. Add parameter opens a sidebar to pick from the tenant's stretchy parameter catalog. Each catalog parameter can appear once. Choose the office picker. The list hides parameters already on this report. Search finds Office ID select 1. Name pass to engine is optional. It is the alias the SQL uses when it differs from the catalog name. This query uses Office ID, so type that alias. Add attach ASIT. Click the row to edit. The same sidebar can change the catalog parameter or the alias. Remove takes it off this report. Leave the office parameter. Cancel. Review shows name, type, category, in use off, the office parameter, and the SQL. Confirm, then save. Save creates the custom report and opens it for edit. Save. The banking service stores the custom report. It stays out of reports until In Use is on. Wait for the edit workspace. Edit uses the same 4 steps. The name is in the header. Change the description so you can see an update land. Custom reports can change SQL and parameters too. Core reports cannot. Next, through SQL and Parameters. The office parameter is still attached. You would add another list here if the query needed it. Review again. The updated description is on the summary. Save writes the change. Close without. Save would throw it away. Save the update. The page stays on this report. Custom reports can be deleted from review. Core reports cannot. Delete removes this custom report. The run permission goes with it. Confirm in the dialog. We delete the walkthrough so recapture does not hit a duplicate name. Confirm, delete. You land back on the list. Search would no longer find this name. Core reports such as client listing are untouched. The address bar is System, Manage Reports, then the report name, or New Report. Use Copy when a core report needs different SQL. Use New Report for a blank custom table. Turn in Use on only when it should appear in the reports catalog for people who can run it.